Puerto. Vanessa. So good. Ganisichon. Pass to Pantin. Fires basket by Rolling John Pantin. 2-0. First point goes to the Tangerines. Barangco. To Waneza. Baseline. Agaw. Pantin. Back to back points for WIT. 4-0. Waneza to JJ. Turnover. Sichon. So good. Juan Vanessa. Fast break to Barangco. Blocked by Pantin. No good. Last throw. Out of 2 by Barangco. 4-1. No good. Still, there's Sichon, no good. Denihai, basket by Denihai. 3 points. First deadlock of the ball game for all. Telalem blocked. Nakuha ni Waneza to Barangco. Bad pass. Miscommunication. Turnover. Pantin. 3 points, no good. Nakuha ni recovered. Pantin, no good. Lobredo, wala pa rin. Alegrado to Sichon. There's a foul. Basket by Waneza. 6-4. Change favor to the Golden Lions. No good. Funny Alegrado jumper. No good. Vanessa. Barangco. Waneza, 3 points by Waneza. 9-4. That's a 9-0 run for the Golden Lions. Deliena to Alegrado. To Pendon, back to Deliena. Floater basket is good for Alegrado. 6-9. Go Jesse. Then I see JJ. So good. Pendon. Sa gitna. Pantin. Afotalan. 8-9. JJ to Barranco. Puerto. Floater, no good. Same ball. Puerto. Floater, wala. Nakuha ni Juaneza. Basket is good for Kevin Juaneza. 8-11. Tatlo ang kalamangan ng CPU. Deliena to Alegrado. Open 3. Wale. Pantin. Wala. Barranco fires a 3. In and out. Sayang ang tira. Nakuha ni Deliena to Pantin. Back to RJ. Steal by Kevin Barranco. Pinaba sa likod. No good. Another try by Barranco. 13-8. Balik sa 5 ang kalamangan ng Leon. Deliena to alley-oop is not good. Follow-up basket by Futsalan. 13-10. Kevin. Another Kevin. Back to Kevin. 3 points by KB21. 16-10. RJ Deliena to Pantin. RJ from the paint. Short. Nakuha ni Puerto. Julian Derecho, pasok. There's a timeout from the Tangerines. 18-10, 8-point lead by CPU. Tendon at no good. Puerto nakakuha ng bola to Kevin Barranco. Back to Puerto. Ganap man pasan. Ferrer is open. No good. Nakuha ni Barranco ang bola. Nasa kay Juaneza. Juaneza. Pinasa sa ilalim. Soliano. No good. Caspilio. Pass to Pendon. Pendon 3, no good. Same ball. Caspilio. Puerto fires a 3, no good. Covers by Ferrer. Pero sa ilalim, nasipa ang bola. Nakuha ni De La Cruz. Nasa kay Caspilio. Pendon 3, no good. Rebound by Soliano to Puerto. Puerto fires, there's a foul. First throw is good, last throw, basket 2 for 2 by Puerto. 2010, kalahati ang lamang ng CPU Golden Lions. Manrique to Stento Caspilio. De La Cruz to Caspilio. 3, basket by Caspilio. 13-20. That's the end of the first quarter. Score 13-20 in favor of the Golden Lions.
First quarter, sa score na 23 for CPU.